You are standing on the roof of a building. You hold your arm out and release a 0.15 kg ball from rest. 1 second after you release it, its velocity is 9.8 meters per second downward. What is its velocity 1.78 seconds after you released it? So I solved this by setting up a proportion and it gave me the right answer. So what I did was, they tell you its velocity was 9.8 meters per second after 1 second. And I set that equal to the velocity that we have to find, that it traveled in 1.78 seconds. So when you cross multiply, 1 times x is x, and 9.8 times 1.78 is 17.44 meters per second, and this is the velocity of this ball 1.78 seconds after it's released, and this velocity is downward. The second question asks, you hold out your arm and release a second ball with a mass of 0.3 kg. What is its velocity 1.78 seconds after you release it? So notice that this ball is twice as heavy as the first ball, but the thing is, mass does not affect velocity in free fall, because in free fall the only force acting on an object is gravity, and in this case both balls are being dropped on Earth, where gravity is constant at 9.8 meters per second squared. So for this question, even though the ball is twice as heavy, the velocity 1.78 seconds after you release it will still be 17.44 meters per second downward. And yeah.